Get your AirPods Pro working with your Samsung phone in just a few simple steps. This quick guide helps you pair instantly with smooth, hassle-free Bluetooth connection. First, make sure your AirPods Pro are charged and ready. Then open your Samsung phone and swipe down from the top of the screen to access the quick settings panel. Tap and hold the Bluetooth icon until the full Bluetooth menu opens. Turn Bluetooth on if it is not already enabled. Now wait a few seconds while your phone searches for nearby devices. When your AirPods appear under available devices, simply tap on them to start pairing. After a short moment, your AirPods will be successfully connected and ready to use for music, videos, and calls with high-quality sound. If you face any connection issue, make sure Bluetooth is refreshed or restart your phone and try again. Also keep AirPods close to your device for better detection. Once connected, you can enjoy seamless audio experience without any interruption. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tech guides. Make sure your AirPods firmware is updated for best performance and stable connectivity during everyday use in any environment. This ensures faster pairing and smoother audio without lag or drop issues. Consistently.